This video teaches one small real travel win. You walk into a noodle shop, you want one simple meal, and you do not want to freeze when the order starts. Look at the board. Today you only need a few useful moves. Say hello, point, ask one question, make one adjustment, and finish the order. Start with a full scene preview. Listen first. Do not memorize yet. Just notice the order of the useful lines on the board.
你好，我要这个。这个辣吗？不要辣。可以打包吗？谢谢。
That is the whole beginner survival path. Greet, choose, ask, adjust, take it to go, and say thanks. Phrase 1 is the easiest line on the page, but it matters. When you enter, do not start by panicking at the menu. Start by sounding calm and friendly.
你好，
Use it when you enter or when you first face the server. Small word, big difference.
你好，
Phrase 2 is your safest ordering line. If you do not know the full dish name yet, point to the picture and say, I want this one.
我要这个。
The small vocab on the board reminds you what you're looking at. This noodle's beef. But the main survival move is still point plus this sentence.
我要这个。
Now use the menu board the way a beginner really needs it. You are not studying for a test. You are matching sound to object. Noodles, rice, water, tea.
面、饭、水、茶。
Hear the word. See the object. That is enough to make the next ordering step much easier.
面、饭、水、茶。
This frame shows the pattern very clearly. Keep what y'all the same. Change only the item. That is the whole idea.
我要面，我要饭，我要水，我要茶。
If you know the item, say it. If you forget the item, go back to the safe version. I want this one.
我要这个。
This is one of the best restaurant questions for a traveler. If you see chili, red oil, or you are just not sure, ask before you order.
这个辣吗？
On the keyword box, lar means spicy. Ma turns the line into a question. You do not need the grammar terms. You just need the sound pattern.
这个辣吗？
This frame gives you the follow-up. You are not rejecting the whole meal. You are adjusting the same dish. No spicy, please.
不要辣。
The side pictures show the idea visually. Same dish, less spice. That makes this line immediately useful in a real food scene.
不要辣。
When the menu is too busy, stop forcing yourself to decode everything. Ask for help and let the server narrow the choices for you.
有什么推荐？
The keyword on the board is Zijian recommend. Use this when the menu is confusing or you want the shop's safe choice.
有什么推荐？
This board ties the phrase directly to real numbers. You can ask the price before you order or when you are checking what the dish costs.
多少钱？
The keyword is Chan money. In a small shop, this short question is often enough by itself.
多少钱？
This frame has 3 things you need to hear. Main phrase, can I take it to go? Keyword 1, the ball, means pack to go. Keyword 2, 可以 means can or okay.
可以打包吗？
The example response box matters too. If the server answers 可以, that is your green light.
可以。
可以打包吗？
This board fixes the next beginner problem. Speaking is half. Listening is half. After you ask, the server's answer may be just one of these two.
可以。不可以。
Do not chase every word. Listen for the key meaning, yes, okay, can, or no, cannot.
可以。不可以。
Slow board. Listen first. Then repeat each traveler line.
您好，我要这个。这个辣吗？不要辣。可以打包吗？谢谢。
Use the turn-taking panel. Your job is the traveler lines. Real speed now. Listen first, then repeat the traveler.
您好，我要这个。这个辣吗？不要辣。可以打包吗？谢谢。
A few short lines can carry a whole restaurant interaction. This is the final skill drill. Keep the sentence. Change the item. The sentence frame stays stable while the noun moves.
我要这个。我要水。我要茶。我要米饭。
The top cards give you 4 concrete choices: beef noodles, water, tea, rice. Same sentence, different result. Final recap. Listen, repeat. Use the board.
你好，我要这个。这个辣吗？不要辣。有什么推荐？多少钱？可以打包吗？谢谢。
You do not need every dish name. Control one small scene with confidence.